Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get this look right here. And yeah, let's just get right into it. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with the shade You're Kidding, and I'm gonna be packing that all over my crease. I'm also gonna be dragging it in my crease. I'm just gonna be packing and dragging, if that makes any sense. Alright, now I'm just going to be taking the shade 518 and I'm going to be applying that on top, just a little bit on the outer corner of where the eyeshadow ends, just to further blend out this shade. Going in with the shade B, I'm just going to be applying it on top of 518, repeating the same process that I did before. So going in with the shade Boutique now, I'm just going to be applying that in my crease, making sure I give my eye a little more of dimension in there. Alright, going in with this Pixie brush, E03, I'm just going to be taking the shade You're Kidding, just to blend better the shade Boutique and also bring back the red shade that we were losing. Alright, now here I'm just going back in with Boutique, bringing back in that color. Keep on giving my eye a little bit more dimension. This is a back and forth process eyeshadow. I stay going back and forth with the same shades as you see right here. I'm going back in with 518, bringing that color right back up, just because I really don't want to lose the shades. And this eyeshadow look, it's super duper pigmented, so that's why we're gonna be going back and forth with all the shades. Alright, now going in with the shade Spooky, I'm going to be applying this in my crease. This is only to deepen up my eye, just because Boutique wasn't giving me that grungy effect. So that's why I am going in with a little bit of Spooky, and also I'm going to be going back in with Boutique. And I'm just going to be doing back and forth process with these two shades until I get it just where I want it to be. Going back with You're Kidding, and I'm just going to be bringing up that red, just making sure I don't lose it. Like I said, this is a process, and I'm showing you guys how big of a process it is. Going in with my Tarte Shape Tape, now I'm just going to be cutting my crease. So taking the shade Acapella, and I'm going to be applying this all over my eyelid. Going back in with Spooky, I'm just going to be bringing in more depth to my eye. I feel like when I cut my crease, the black was gone, so I wanted to bring it back. Going back in with Boutique just to blend out the shade Spooky just one more time, you know, just for the last time. Now taking the shade You're Kidding, and I'm just gonna be reapplying this again. Now going in with the shade Ring Light, and I'm just going to be applying this to my brow bone. Alright, now I'm just going to be curling my lashes and applying my Fat Lash Mascara from AOA, and just to prep them before I put on my falsies. Here I'm applying the Lashes G800. These are my favorite lashes, and I'll have them linked down below. Alright, so going in with the shade Acapella, and I'm just going to be putting this on my lower lash line and inside my waterline. Taking the shade Boutique, and I'm just going to be dragging it right there below too. Going in with your kidding, I'm just going to be repeating the same process I did on the top of my eyes to my lower lash. Taking the shade 518, and I'm going to be maintaining this towards my outer corner, not bringing it towards the inner corner, just making that clear. Going in with my knobby lip liner in the shade Coffee, and I'm going to be lip lining my lips. So taking this nude lipstick from the Black Radiance brand, and I'm just going to be applying that all over my lips. I'll have the name of it linked down below. Going in with my Mary Lou highlighter from The Balm, and I'm just going to be applying this on my cheekbones, and I'm going to be applying it on the bridge of my nose and also on the tip of my nose. Alright you guys, so this is the final look right here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Stay tuned at the end for a close-up with some flash, just because you can't really tell the shimmery shade right here. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!